Welcome to RT Repairs. Today we're going to go over a new kit that we purchased off of eBay. It was relatively cheap. I think it was like $15 including shipping. And it is a 3D printed fuel injector cleaning kit. What this kit comes with comes with two nozzles. One has a large hole. One has a smaller hole. And these nozzles have a hole in the bottom of them. What they do is you take a can of carburetor cleaner, you pull the regular spray head off, this fits down on top of it and enables you to actually clean the fuel injector. Now, do I think this will work? Yes. Basically what you're doing anytime you use one of the more expensive kits, it's $200, $300, $400, that screws into the fuel rail and sprays pressure through. It's doing the same thing. It's energizing the fuel injectors and it's spraying a cleaner through there. Now, some people use this kit, and I've watched them use them online, and they backfeed. So they turn the nozzle around and they spray the reverse direction. I don't recommend that. I mean, you're pushing dirt back into it. If you're going to do anything, turn it around and spray it the normal direction. Even the more expensive kits do that. This kit comes with two electrical harnesses. Plugs right up to your battery, positive and negative. This cord will only fit one way. It's got a notch in it just like your injectors do, so it'll only fit one way. So I do recommend that you wear safety glasses when you do this, and a mask if you've got one, just to keep from breathing the stuff in. I did this outside, and I'm going to show you what we did to make this work. Okay guys, so you saw us using this kit. What are your thoughts? What are your feelings? Comment below. Like the video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, tell me. We're trying to do the best we can here for you guys to show you how you can do it yourself at home. My feelings on this kit, I give it a thumbs up. For $15, it's worth it. It cleans the injectors out. I did a noticeable difference. I did 3 to 4 sprays on each injector, and there's 6 of them. This was a 6-cylinder XC90 behind me that I did them on. And I did find that a couple of them, after I got to the second and third spray, sprayed a lot better. They vaporized the fuel a lot better. And that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a vapor stream, not a straight stream. You want this to vaporize it. So that's what you're looking for. You're looking for a spread out vapor. But I think it worked good. Like I said, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment below. Let us know some stuff that you may want to see. We've got a lot of great content coming up. We're going to finish doing the work on this XC90 behind me here very soon. And then we're going to move on to a Toyota Yaris and to a Jeep Commander with a 5.7 Hemi, which you guys are going to love. Till then, thank you for watching RT Repairs.